Yumin had 11 H pens. She wanted to give her nephews 4 pens each, but found out that she was 2 H pens short. Express the number of nephews Yumin had in terms of H. Okay, let's draw a model for this. So we know that she had 11 H pens. Then she wanted to give her nephews no idea how many, 4 pens each, but found out that she had 2 H pens short. What does this tell us? It tells us that 11H cannot be divided by 4. But if you add 2H to the 11H, then you can divide it by 4. Okay, so the first working, right, find out total number of pens. So total pens, arrow, 11H plus 2H, and that will give us 13H. Okay, then this total 13H, right, to find out the number of nephews. Now she can finally give each nephew 4 pens. You take 13H divided by 4. Okay, and this will be the number of nephews. So number of nephews will be 13H, which is the total number of pen if she had 2H more, divided by 4 pens each. This will be the answer. Okay, so 13H over 4. Now, presentation wise, I will always encourage my students, and for parents, if you are watching this, right, always encourage your kids. Number 1, draw the model, visualize it for algebra. Okay, it will definitely help. Number 2, presentation wise, always write the sentence and then the arrow. Write the sentence and then write the arrow. Always do this. Why do you need to do this? Is so that for questions which are a bit longer, if there are more than 2 or 3 workings, right, it will become very, very confusing. And if they check back, they will be able to know what they are working. Okay, so I'm quite sure you have seen many of your kids or many students, many of you all actually, your working just fly all over, and then when you wish to check back, you have no idea what they're writing. Okay, so use this method. Sentence, arrow, working. Sentence, arrow, working. Alright, answer. Thanks. Done.